Hello, what's up, guys? I hope you're all doing good because I'm feeling like 100. Okay, guys, I know it's been a while ever since I made a YouTube video, but I hope you missed me because I really missed making some YouTube videos. So, guys, for those who don't know me, my name is Sia Forex Lover, aka don't wanna know. Anyways, I make YouTube videos regarding forex trading. The reason I'm making those videos, I want to make an impact. I want to make a difference in the beginners, intermediate traders, and all the struggling traders out there. Otherwise, this is not a financial advice. We all know that trading carries high level of risk, and you must not invest money that you are not willing to lose. But without further wasting of your time, today I just want us to talk about reversal zones. Like, if you are a trader who like to trade reversal, where exactly are you likely to trade those reversal? So today we will focus only on support and resistance. So support and resistance is a topic that has been used or that has been taught ever since we started to learn about forex. So we all know that support and resistance has been working for like more than a decade, and it's been used profitably by traders across the world. So I hope that you found value in this video. Anyways, let us just look randomly on those currency pairs in front of me. So we'll just choose anyone that looks like it have a good structure for a support and resistance. So one thing that you must note is that if you want to trade support and resistance, that means you must look for a market that does not have a big momentum. What an example of a market with big momentum is the market that is in front of me, that is trending down like a almost like a straight line. Uh, so you don't want to draw support and resistance in a market like this. Not that you can't, you can, but you are looking for a market that doesn't have a very strong trend, maybe a medium trend. So for this one, AUD, USD will pass, but a chart like this one is perfect to draw support and resistance on this 4 hour, even on this daily. So how do you exactly precisely draw your reversal zone? Because tonight, the topic of today or tonight, as it's night time in my country, it's about 8 p.m. So the topic, I'll just say the topic of tonight is reversal zones. How do you find those reversal zones and how do you draw your zone precisely? Oh, so we all know that the first thing that you must do, you must first draw your zone. And then after marking your zone, you're going to wait for the market to come to test your zone. Because in the Forex market, in order for you to make money, you must wait. Money is made by waiting more than just trading every opportunity that you're getting in the market. So without further wasting of your time, let's dive to it. So let's start on the daily. So how do you find reversal zone? The way to draw, I like to draw reversal zone. I like to draw them from the week. So if you want to draw a reversal zone, which is a buying zone, what we want is to look for the last bearish candle before the market start pushing up. As you can see over here, I'll use a crosshair. This was a last bearish candle and then followed by this bullish candle. So to draw a reversal zone, use the week or use the longest week between the two candles. Or let's say rather between those two candles, we look for the longest week. So between those two candles, this is the longest week. So we draw from the open of the bullish candle or green candle or whatever you want to call it. So from the open of it and sorry guys, to the week of that bearish candle. So we have our first reversal zone. As you see, the market reacted or reversed very nicely. On the bullish side, we do the same thing. We do from the close of the bullish candle. So let me just start from the beginning. For bullish reversal zones, you start from the close of a bearish candle to the highest wick between the bearish and the bullish candle. For bearish reversal zone, you start from the close of the bullish candle and then pick the highest wick between the bullish and the bearish candle. So this is our reversal zone for the daily. So we can wait for the market to come all the way up there. Once it goes there, we are expecting a reversal. So one thing to note at this point is that a reversal zone is valid only when it's tested for the first and maybe the second time. For the first time is the high probability trade or setup, because the market has never reacted from the reversal zone. Because on the reversals, what we have on the reversal zone, we do have market orders of the big boys, of the big banks, hedge funds, and all the big players in the market. So we have some bullish orders here, as you see that the market did react from this reversal zone with like almost 20 pips, or I don't know if it went all the way up there to 60 pips before it came back down. That's possible. Otherwise, that's all we can draw from the daily. Let's go to the 4 hours. We're gonna pick 4 hour reversal zones. So I want to mention the fact that on this chart, you do the same thing on the 4 hour, you do the same thing on the daily, you do the same thing on the weekly. So what I mean by that, the way that you draw those reversal zones on the daily is the same way that you draw them on the 4 hour, on the weekly, and on the monthly. So we're just gonna look at only 2 time frames. So for the purpose of this video, I want to make this video as short and quick as possible, because it was just my way of saying hello guys, I'm still alive and I'm still trading the financial markets. Anyways, let's draw the 4 hour reversal zones. So on the 4 hours, we can draw from those 2 candles. So what can we do now? We can use this zone as a waiting zone. So that means we can wait from this zone until price come all the way down. If it came back and test this zone, then we are gonna look for a buy, or we're gonna buy instantly. Where can we put our stop loss? If we buy from this zone, we can put the stop loss below this zone from the daily, because it's only like 16 pips. So then we buy and target maybe 2 times, 3 times, 4 times the risk that we're gonna use. Then let's find a reversal zone for bearish. So as far as I can see, this is the one that I can see, and price is already reacted from this one. So I'm just gonna change color to bluish, so that we can know that this is the 4 hour zones. It's very important to make different colors of your zone, so that you don't get lost. So let's just leave it like this. So let's see. So now we only got 2 opportunities on this currency pair, which is a sell on this zone, which only gave us about 30 pips, and then a buy from this zone, which gave us about 70 pips. So let's go. Of course, I would not recommend that you must enter on this 4 hour or daily. I recommend you can go to the M30 or M15 or M1, depending on your personal preference. But for me, I was just gonna go enter this trade. Even here on 30 minutes is fine, but I think on the 50 minutes was gonna be more precise, because on the 50 minutes I was going to enter here and put my stop loss somewhere around this high, and then target this previous zone or reversal zone. For buying, we could have bought here or at the close of this bullish candle, stop loss here, then we could have made some profits. So that's it, guys. If you find this video useful, I'd like to see your like, comment, subscription, then what you would like me to talk about in this channel or to teach about or to share, because from now on moving forward I'm going to be very active. I think I'm going to upload about a minimum of 3 videos per week or more. Thanks a lot, guys. I hope we're gonna be safe. Until next time, take care, guys. Cheers.